Chapter 5, the real estate brokerage activities. Every broker must have an office somewhere. It does not have to be in Florida, but it still has to be registered with the Department of Business Professional Regulations of Florida. The required information for the official sign, it has to have the name of the brokerage entity that you're operating out of. It has to have the name of the broker or brokers, and it has to have the words licensed real estate broker. If an associate's name is on that sign, they can do that, but it has to be segregated from the broker with their license status next to their name. A branch office is not transferable. And remember that the registration period is going to be good for 2 years. And by the way, that means that you can move out of and back into a branch office without any registration with the DBPR. Construction trailers are typically considered to be temporary shelters. A broker's ultimate responsibility is going to be for advertising. They're going to be ultimately responsible. An ad without the name of the brokerage entity is called a blind advertisement. The federal no solicitation prohibits cold calling for FSBOs. Immediate for delivery of escrow means within 3 business days of the date that the contract says the escrow was delivered. The settlement procedures for conflicting demands include mediation, arbitration, litigation, and the escrow disbursement order from the Florida Real Estate Commission. 10 days to notify the Commission of resolution if a dispute is settled early, by the way. Rental information list. If the information is correct, the broker's got to be prepared to give back 75% as a refund. If it is inaccurate in any material way, 100% refund is going to be required. But remember, the demand has to be made within 30 days of contracting. General partnerships, remember, 2 or more persons, 1 active broker. A sales associate or broker associate cannot be a general partner. A corporation made up of stockholders has to have at least 1 active broker. Again, sales associates, broker associates cannot be an officer or director of a real estate brokerage corporation. Again, they can be a stockholder. And that's all I have for Chapter 5's review.